Saturn's rings, the most iconic celestial feature in our solar system, are about to vanish from view. But don't worry, it's only temporary. In March 2025, Saturn's rings will disappear, and it's all because of a cosmic alignment that happens only once every 29.5 years. Saturn has fascinated us for centuries. In the 17th century, Galileo Galilei first glimpsed Saturn with his primitive telescope and described it as having ears, due to the limitations of his optics. Since then, we've come a long way in understanding Saturn's wonders, thanks to modern-day astronomers like Dr. Lucy Jones from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. So what's going on? Saturn's rings are disappearing because of the unique tilt of its axis. In March 2025, Saturn will be tilted in such a way that the rings will be edge-on from our viewpoint on Earth. This will make them almost invisible, only to reappear later that year in November. It's a cosmic game of hide and seek. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice, rock, and dust, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks as big as houses. The rings are divided into several sections, including the A, B, and C rings, separated by gaps like the famous Cassini division, shaped by Saturn's many moons. But how did Saturn get its rings? One theory suggests they could be remnants of a moon or comet that was torn apart by Saturn's strong gravity. Others propose they are leftovers from when Saturn itself formed over 4 billion years ago. Each theory provides a fascinating glimpse into the potential origins of these majestic rings. Our understanding of Saturn and its rings took a giant leap forward with the Cassini-Huygens mission. This collaborative mission between NASA, ESA, and ASI explored Saturn for 13 years, revealing incredible details about the gaps in the rings, the influence of Saturn's moons, and even the possibility of subsurface oceans on moons like Enceladus. Saturn isn't just about rings. It has at least 145 moons, each with unique characteristics. Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system, has a thick atmosphere and possibly liquid lakes. Meanwhile, Enceladus might harbor life in its subsurface oceans, discovered thanks to water vapor geysers shooting organic materials into space. Upcoming missions, like NASA's Dragonfly to Titan, aim to explore these moons further, searching for signs of life and unraveling more secrets of Saturn's complex system. The search for life on Saturn's moons is just beginning. Don't miss this rare event in March 2025 when Saturn's rings vanish from view. Grab your telescopes and witness this incredible celestial event. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe for more cosmic wonders and deep dives into the mysteries of our universe.